Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to connect your broker to TradingView so you can trade directly from your charts with any supported broker, fast, seamless, and all in one place. By the end of this video, you'll know how to set up your connection step by step, making your trading workflow smoother and more efficient than ever before. Let's jump right in. First things first, head over to TradingView.com and log into your account. If you're new to TradingView, don't worry, you just need a basic account to get started. Once you're logged in, you're going to notice there are quite a few tabs and options, but stay focused on the top navigation bar. Look for the Products tab, go ahead and click that. The website may change its layout from time to time, but Products is almost always anchored at the top, making it easy to find. Now you'll see a drop-down menu with different platform features. What we're looking for is the Trading panel. This panel lives at the bottom of your screen, but if you don't see it right away, just open up any chart and check along the bottom edge. Clicking Trading Panel will expand a section that lets you manage trades, orders, and most importantly, broker connections. Here comes a crucial step, finding your broker. In the Trading Panel, look for a button or link that says All Brokers. Give that a click. This brings up a full list of all brokers that TradingView currently supports. This list is constantly updated as new brokers partner with TradingView, so if you haven't checked in a while, it's worth another look. Remember, only brokers on this list can be connected. If your broker doesn't appear here, it unfortunately means TradingView hasn't integrated with them yet. This can be frustrating, I know, but these integrations involve a fair bit of technical and regulatory work, so not every broker is available. If your preferred broker isn't on the list, I recommend keeping an eye on updates or reaching out to both TradingView and your broker to express your interest. Sometimes demand can make a difference. Let's say your broker is asterisk listed. From here, it couldn't be simpler. Just select your broker from the list, typically by clicking their logo or name. Then hit the Connect button. This will prompt a login window to pop up. You'll need your credentials for your broker account, so have your username and password handy. Sometimes the broker may use two-factor authentication, so be prepared for that extra step. These security measures are a great way to keep your account protected. After logging in, TradingView might ask you to confirm the connection and agree to some permission requests. This is pretty standard. It's just making sure you're the one giving access and you're comfortable with the connection. Be sure to read any prompts carefully and hit confirm when you're ready. Depending on the broker, the connection can take a few seconds or up to a minute, so don't worry if there's a short wait. And that's it, you're successfully connected. From now on, you'll be able to place trades, manage orders, and track your portfolio all right from TradingView, using the broker account of your choice. It's a game changer for staying organized and acting quickly in fast-moving markets. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more step-by-step guides just like this. Drop any comments or questions down below. What broker are you connecting, or are there features you want to see covered next? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.